मक्का अपनी मंजिल बनाने लगा, ला मक्का अपनी मंजिल बनाने लगा।
आइए अब इसके बाद अंग्रेजी तकरीर पेश करने के लिए आयशा रियाज अहमद।
Good evening to our respected principal, teachers, chief guest and my dear friends. My name is Aisha. I study in class 3rd. It is a matter of great pride for me to stand here today representing Madrasa Sayyid Nawab bin Kaab Sarai Mir. They say that while parents give us life, but teachers teach us how to live. It is an honor to stand here today and express our emotions and gratitude. We often think of a teacher as someone who stands at a blackboard, but a true teacher is a mentor, a guide, and a constant source of inspiration. The impact of a great teacher goes far beyond the classroom. You teach us discipline and kindness. Every lesson you share is a brick in the foundation of our future careers and lives. To all our teachers, thank your patience when we were difficult, for your encouragement when we were tired. We may not always say it, but we truly value everything you do. Thank you, my teachers, for everything.
बहुत खूब, माशाल्लाह।